Life with Jeezy, man. Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see.
Be like me, support him, man.
Yeah.
Get it.
Keep getting better and better. You know why I'm here. You know what I came for. You win and you lose. You know how the game go. You can't fit in my shoes. No, you cannot hang, little nigga, cause they don't have a clue. Them up where I came from. Yeah, started selling nickels, then I bought the whole thing.
This is the life of a girl dad. Welcome to Life with Jeezy. Let's go. What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe G's, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. Today, we got something special, Kane. I thought it was the wrong size, but these here, we'll get to those later. But we are going to clean this here leather, so we are going to turn this on. And get a little, can we get a little light? We gonna open up the light. They said, let that be light, so that shall be light. Okay, so, bruh, but yeah, we got some of this here Routes Garage Leather 3-in-1 spray. Quickly cleans, conditions, and protects. Oh yeah. We're gonna clean this here leather, try to get it a little spiffy, and those things right there are gonna go on the outside of the car. We're gonna get to those later. Oh, don't mind that, that's my season pass to Kings Island. We're gonna need that. Oh, glass cleaner. Shouldn't I tell you what it is? But you gotta wait. You suck. Let me get this here set up.
A few moments later.
So, we got the Ground 3-in-1 leather cleaner. We about to get this guy done. We got our 2 interior microfiber tile, and we got the route. Say, shake that thing well. What we trying to get is this, for real. We gotta get that. And then on here, shake this well. Alright, well, time too much. So, got a cold rest.
A few moments later.
So, we gonna let this sit here for a minute, and we gonna be back. I don't know yet. We'll be back. So, it's been a couple minutes later. You can still see the cracks, but it don't look as dry. I think I like you, man. Let's get it going. So we covered up the seat. We're gonna let that sit. We're gonna let that dry. Then we're gonna dry that off at 9:10. We're gonna get that wiped off. All right, y'all, we back. So time to give it a little wipe. Then get the access off of there. We probably gonna go over it one more time. But it looks better though. It does look better. I can't wait to do this thing. You can really see it. But it's still, you know, but it does look better. It doesn't look as dry. It's not ashy. So let's get it. I'll be back to you guys once I finish this. So I think it works. I still want to get somebody to actually, you know, clean up the leather and like bring it back to life, but it works as into cleaning it. as it looks better. The seat does look better. This is gonna be show, like, hey, here you go, now you can see it. So I just did this armrest and look at it. It already looked better. I ain't even wiped it off. I just wiped that up real quick. Still got 1 more minute on these things. We'll be back in a minute.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so my bad. I didn't come back to y'all, but this seat was worse, so I just went on and knocked it out while that was drying. Man, yeah. All this was like super ashy. Yeah, I'm even thinking about cleaning that one the same way I had to do this one. 'Cause that one looked 10 times better. Yeah. Ooh, that chocolate coming together. Ooh, wait. And I just did this. Look at that. Kinda crispy that. How good that leather look, boy. Alright, I definitely had to get those 2 front seats knocked out. I don't think the back seats are bad. I don't think they probably didn't really have people back here much. They obviously did. We're gonna go ahead and bang out this back seat real quick, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna show it to y'all after I get done with it.
Stop fucking lying.
After I get done with this, I'm gonna go vacuum it out. I'm gonna take it to the other car wash with a strong vacuum and get it cleaned out. But this the seat now. Hope y'all can see it. This the seat now. And then, alright y'all, so let me roll the window down. Maybe y'all can see it a little better. Oh yeah, the windows can go down now. The windows can go down now. Alright, so, and this is it. I cleaned them. It look good, nice and fresh. Like I said, I still want somebody to polish them. I don't want to do it myself because I want it to look good. I mean, I could probably do it myself because of the way I be looking at stuff. The detail, I just want it to look good. Like, clean that right up. Yes, sir. Now I'm about to go actually clean the car and vacuum it out, clean the outside. And then we're gonna put on those other things. And we're gonna go right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me go check on the baby. We'll put that on. Be right back.
1 hour later.
Alright, gang, so we back. It's just me and baby Million now. So she was woke. I wasn't expecting her to be woke, but she was up. So she's coming along for the ride. We're about to get some gas, then we're going to get the car washed, vacuumed out. So let's get right here and get some gas. Let's say 395. I'm thinking I should go down the street, but this Kroger's fuel point. So I'll see y'all after I get this stuff situated. See, look at God. I done got 80 cents off. Thank you. Yes, sir. I was like, yeah, just add an extra 10 on there, put 70 on that there pump. We gonna make that 80 cent worth because we are taking advantage. We are trying to get a full tank of gas. Okay. Hopefully it'll stop before that. We almost at 20 gallons. God dang. This hustler goes with some gas.
Well, duh.
This dude, oh, hey. I get $2.77 back. Full tank of gas. $67. Shout out to Kroger's for the fuel points.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, y'all, so we up here at the car wash. About to get vacuumed out. About to clean all this out. Baby Million, say hi, baby. Yeah, baby. We gonna get everything cleaned out, and we gonna see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we done got to the car wash. I'm about to spray this wheel and tire cleaner on here before we go in there. Try to get all this nice and clean while in there. Yes, sir.
A few moments later.
Alright, now that that's done, let's get in here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Make sure the windows are rolled up. Alright guys, so Treasure fell asleep as expected. And let me see you guys when I get up out of here. Alright, y'all, so we on the outside, we getting it cleaned. I already sprayed that with the tire shine. Look at that, boy. That mug clean. Yeah, it look good, but it look good. I'm gonna wipe it down after I spray these off. Spray these before I wipe the car down so it ain't all over the place. Definitely want them to look good, though. Yes, sir. This bad boy look good. Little bad girl, I should say. See who? See what? You can't see treasure right there. What you thought this was? Let me go ahead and get this clean, and I'll be back to y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, I got her all, I ain't wipe off the roof, but got her all cleaned up. Looking good. I'm gonna pull her out in the sun in a minute so y'all can see all the metallics in her, but she look good. Got her clean, and it's time for these things. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. About to get these put on, y'all. Hold on, give me a second. Let me get y'all set up.
Meanwhile.
Alright, y'all. Finally got this off of here. Trying to get it on here. Kind of messed it up right there, but it look good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna get this one taken off, and I'll be back with y'all in a minute.
1 hour later.
All right, so we got the second one off. Time to put it on. All right, y'all. Got that one on there too. Yep. Got that one on there too, my boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Time to get up out of here. And let that heal up. Give it a few days. Yeah, sure. All right, we'll see y'all in a minute.
Much later.
All right, y'all, so we got this bad boy clean. Wheel still needs to be changed, but this bad boy clean, boy. Yes, sir, look good. Got this bad boy clean. Look at, and we got that thong on there. Look good, my boy. So we about to go ahead and end this one off. Hold up. About to go ahead and end this one off, and we're gonna see y'all on the next one, which the next one will actually come out before this one. Dang, it's raining. I just washed my car. Ain't that about a beat? But the next one is gonna be before this. Y'all gonna see that one soon because it is back to school, and we're gonna drop that board back to school, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas